how to make digital vision board on Pinterest. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you make digital vision board on Pinterest. So here's the thing, what you can do is simply open the Pinterest onto your device. So now Pinterest offers a collage feature directly in the mobile app, which is the fastest way to create a combined visual. So go to Pinterest on your device. There, tap the profile from the very bottom, and you could go to the board section and tap onto the plus button, after which you will be provided with pin, collage and board. Since we're going with the visual board, so go to collage section. You could go ahead and select cutout your board, recents, whatever that you like. You could go ahead and select it out just like this. You want to make sure to go ahead and adjust accordingly. You could also go ahead and select the add button once again and select the add button, after which you could just go ahead and select it something like this, and you could add multiple picture if you want to. Then tap onto the next button, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and resize, give it title, descriptions, all that. And that's how you're supposed to make a digital vision board on Pinterest. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.